All right, this is a stirrup hoe, sometimes referred to as a scuffle hoe, and sometimes referred to as a hula hoe. These things are great for clearing out areas where you have overgrowth. Perfect example would be I have a bunch of pachysandra in the front of my house that if I was allowed to, I would be able to rip that stuff out of there right away with something like this. So the whole entire unit's made out of metal. You can see it's bolted on right here. If for some reason this comes loose, easy enough to tighten it up. The stirrup section itself is also made out of metal, and it's bladed all the way around on both sides, which makes it perfect for pushing and pulling. This little blade that's on each side of this gets up underneath of the roots of whatever it is you're trying to remove and rips them out of there. When you get this, it arrives in a box about this long because these poles are disassembled. I'm 6'2", and this pipe section itself is about 72 inches long and fully assembled with the stirrup on it. It's about 75 inches tall. So that's perfect for me. I do not have to bend over at all to use this device. Now, the great part about it being sectional is if you wanted to make it shorter, you could easily do that by unscrewing the section and removing however many pipes you need to remove to make it the size that you want to. So if I remove one of these pipes right here and just put the end back on it, now I've got a 61-inch stirrup hoe. Again, you can keep going down. Another one of my thoughts on this is if I just remove this section right here, now I've got a handheld stirrup hoe. So let's say I'm working in a flower bed or I'm working in a garden or something, and I just want to, rip some weeds out by hand. I can throw this in the garden bag, pull it out, and it's good to go. This thing weighs fully assembled about 2.5 pounds. The bulk of your weight being on this end, so it's balanced when you use it. Great for just doing normal hoeing work or ripping up weeds and stuff that we have in here. If I wanted to shave down this section right here and actually make a line so that I could put an edge for some edging or something like that. Stirrup hoe, and it works as intended.